Yesterday's training was very, very inspiring, very empowering. Ni-remind ulit ako ng mga teachings and mas malalim yung impact sa akin as parang mas naiintindihan ko na siya at mas gagawin ko na siya ngayon. It's very empowering, so I invite all of you to be on the next boot camp, in the TBI boot camp. Come and let's enjoy and let's learn and let's be all wealthy.
Good morning, TBI Philippines. I am Clint Hill. This is my first time po to attend this the first ever local bootcamp here in Boracay. Grabe, this is a really life-changing opportunity. At first, I was really expecting the best. Siyempre, sure na enjoy, but this is, I'm telling you, iba talaga. Kaya I'm really expecting na sa second, susunod na local bootcamp, magkikita-kita pa rin tayo. At the same time, sa South Korea bootcamp, again, this has been ang laking changes po talaga. I just hope next time po kasama na kayo. Thank you.
I'm Lee Ramos, so I'm here in Boracay and really great experience. Sobrang saya, sobrang enjoy, and I learned a lot from this Boracay bootcamp. Thank you so much.
TBI Boracay bootcamp for me is really great experience. Kasi napakadaming expectations, no, na nakita ako doon talaga sa bootcamp. Dami kong natutunan, kahit pala leader ka, hindi magbubuo yung pagiging leader mo kung hindi ka nag-attend ng bootcamp. Napakadaming experience, hindi magkakakilala, but right now we are one family of TBI, doing better for the glory of God, for the glory of TBI. So, for me, ang ganda din ang ginawa ni Coach Clarissa na tamang-tama in my life yung application that all leaders is not perfect leaders. Lahat po walang perfect. Even our company is not perfect. But, given a chance na meron kang second chance, yun pala yung time na you can do more, you can do better. Kaya sa lahat tayo, kapag nag-umpisa, walang perfecto, but given a chance, yung second chance po natin, wag po natin ikakabagsak ang second chance. Bagkos, yun po yung ikakatatag natin sa paggawa ng TBI business. And you can apply it also in your personal life.
Hi Eric, how did you find the training conducted by Coach Clarissa yesterday?
Okay, I'm Eric Magtabog. I'm here with my wife. I find it very inspiring. I realized so many things about my network, how to do the business properly, legitimately, and uprightly. So, very inspiring and very empowering to me and my wife.
Mornings, ako si Kokoy Espinelli sa Team Rizal. Dito kami ngayon sa Boracay Bootcamp, the very first local bootcamp ng TBI Philippines. It's very great and wonderful na nakasama ako dito with my wife. Talagang hindi lang training kasi we earn great memories and ang pinakamalaga is yung great friends with TBI. Nadagdagan yung family, yung support, saka yung ano matatawag mo dito, yung pinakamabigat doon yung integrity sa TBI, nadagdagan yun. So sa mga hindi nakasama, see you na lang on Jeju Island. Format!
Yes, hello, I'm Jasmine Espinelli. I'm very proud to join this TBI, and we're here in Boracay bootcamp. It's very unexpected talaga kasi napakasaya and very wholesome. Hindi namin nakalain na ganito, and we thought that it's traditional, but it's very different. Sayang guys, hindi kayo pumatapit. We will meet you at Jeju Island, Korea. Thank you, TBI!
Hi, how did you find the training conducted by Coach Clarissa yesterday as Mastermind graduates of her coaching program?
Hi, we are ako si Nico.
And I am Mitch, the graduate of Mastermind Group of
Coach Clarissa.
And we find the second day training is very powerful. Nagkaroon sa akin ng clear picture, yung always ko naririnig na paradigm shift. Paano ba yun paradigm shift? Paano ba ginagawa yun? So kahapon nakita ko yung na image on how to shift your paradigm. Kung saan ka mag-uumpisa, paano siya nag-work, and paano mo siyang papalabas. So mas nagkaroon ako ng clear vision. And sa activities kahapon, although ginagamit na namin siya, kung muna natutunan namin, but still, during the application, marami pa rin lumalabas na learning at mas nag-deeper siya. And mas naiintindihan na namin yung sarili namin, much more yung iba, if how we behave.
So to end, we would like to invite you to also have your own mastermind with Coach Clarissa. It's very powerful, and lalong-lalo na kung nag-bootcamp, kung gusto niyo rin magpunta ng bootcamp, mas maganda pag naka-mastermind kayo kasi mas deeper yung understanding nyo.
And it's more fun.
Yeah, and it's more fun, and you will enjoy, you will learn a lot. Let's grow together.